Hi, I'm Chris Wright, Product Manager for Salford Group for Ground Engaging Tools, and I'm excited to be here today to tell you about a new product that we've been working on for the last couple of years, the Salford Halo. The Halo is a new platform in Salford Group's family of tillage products. Adding to the strong tillage reputation that Salford has, this frame series is capable of different configurations of ground engaging and finishing tools that will meet the requirements of all producers. From full tillage to vertical tillage and also aeration tillage, the Halo is a frame design that allows for variety. Complete with manageable transport height and a narrow transport width, the Halo is also delivered with minimal dealer setup time. The two-piece Halo machines use 600 series flotation tires, while the three-piece machines use 4 of these tires, 2 for the main frame and 1 on each wing. For hooking and unhooking the Halo to the tractor, the Halo has a clearly labeled, user-friendly operator station which labels hydraulic hoses and where the manual canister is located. The two-piece machines use a manual jack, while the three-piece machines are equipped with a hydraulic jack. The wings on the Halo can be operated in float if conditions allow. However, if conditions are extreme, a wing-down pressure circuit is standard to allow weight transfer to the wings. This frame series is capable of different configurations of ground engaging and finishing tools that will meet the requirements of all producers. The Halo HSD, or high-speed disc, is a 2-row low-concavity blade machine. It comes with a 23-inch cage roller, and a rubber packer roller will be an option announced in the spring of 2021. Primary ground engaging tools on the HSD, we use 22-inch low concavity blades front and rear. On the front row, we use smooth blades to slice through the compact soil and size residue. On the rear, we use notch blades to help keep the soil and trash flowing at an optimal level. The coulter arms use 1.5-inch diameter rubber torsion suspension, with the front coulters set at a 14-degree angle and the rear coulter set at a 17-degree angle. With 7.5 inches of vertical travel, the Halo is built to overcome obstacles in its path. The unique design of the Halo hub uses a heavy cast design, with the blade being clamped by a 5-bolt pattern to ensure proper clamping force. An industry-standard double taper roller bearing keeps things moving, and Salford uses a proprietary multi-lip seal to help keep contaminants out of the hub for trouble-free use and reliability. The hub is maintenance-free and designed to keep you in the field. The Halo uses single-point depth control in 2 locations. The first setting is in the working depth of primary ground engaging tools. The second setting is the pressure of the finishing roller. This ensures making fine-tuning of the Halo fast and easy and requires no tools. Halo Airway combines Airway's industry-leading deep tine aeration technology with Salford's independently mounted coulters and finishing systems. The combination allows for maximum vertical tillage action that improves air and moisture storage in the root zone, while preparing residue and leaving a smooth, level field finish that improves planting and seeding performance. The Halo Airway uses North American-made, proven 8-inch forged shatter tines in rows of 4 spaced at 10 inches apart on the front row. Each Airway shatter tine has a lean and a twist. The shatter tine fractures and lifts the soil as it passes through while keeping the soil structure intact. This allows for better water and air infiltration into the soil and breaks through the compaction layer. The second row of the Halo Airway is Salford's tried and true 22-inch 13-wave I-series blade centered between each row of Airway tines for a net machine spacing of 5 inches. The 22-inch blades are mounted on coulters with rubber torsion suspension and cut residue and mixed soil and residue that has been loosened and fractured by the Airway tines. To complete the pass, Salford's proven double 14-inch rollers on a new parallel linkage system break up the clods and pin the residue down in the fall and smooth and prepare a seed bed in the spring. Customize the Halo Airway to meet your tillage needs using the front and rear adjustable gang angles. Each gang has 3 settings and can be quickly adjusted, allowing the Halo Airway to perform aggressive primary tillage operations, lighter seedbed preparation, and anywhere in between. Increase pressure on the finishing system to maximize soil and residue conditioning, or back off pressure in wet conditions to prevent the baskets from plugging. The Salford Halo is a game-changing new tillage tool for producers to maximize their operational efficiency. For more information, go to salfordgroup.com or contact your local Salford dealer.